Hello friends. In this video we are going to talk about the sorting algorithm. So from here onwards we are going to start our series of the sorting algorithms, in which we will be learning and analyzing the various sorting algorithms. So this is the introductory video of the sorting algorithms. So basically in this video we are going to have a better idea that what does the sorting mean, what does the algorithm mean, and what does the combined sorting algorithm means. And we'll also see that what are the different sorting algorithms that we are going to study in this series. Okay, so let's start the video and stay tuned with me. Yeah, so consider first a random array. So say the random array, say 10, 6, -1, 0, -2. Okay, so if you consider this array, then see that this has no any property, right? So that means the properties like either this array is not in ascending order nor in descending order, right? So this array is called unsorted array, right? This array is called unsorted array. Now consider the same array with some in arranged manner, right? So say I have written this array as -2, -1, 0, 6 and 10. If you see this, then what you will find is this array is now in ascending order, right? This is in ascending order. And again, if you write the same array by arranging it in another way, like say 10, 6, 0, -1 and -2. So if you focus this also, so this is also in descending order, right? So these two arrays combinedly are called the sorted arrays. That means this also is called the sorted array, and this is also called the sorted array, right? So sorted array means that array which is either arranged in descending order or in ascending order, right? So this is the basic definition of the sorting. So as you can see, this is an unsorted array, and if the same array has been arranged either in ascending order or in descending order, then that array is called the sorted array, right? So this is the meaning of the sorted array. Now let's see the algorithm. Okay, so algorithm says that if you have an array given which is unsorted, right, which is unsorted, and now if you want to sort this array, this, okay, so the procedure that you are going to follow is called algorithms. Okay, so from an unsorted array to a sorted array, all the steps or the procedure that you will be following to get the sorted array from an unsorted array, that is called an algorithms. And as this algorithm is a sorting array, that's why we call combining this as the sorting algorithms, right? So this is the basic idea of the sorting algorithm. Now let's see that what are the different sorting algorithms that we are going to study in this series, right? So let's see, we do have many sorting algorithms. So first one is insertion sort. Second one is quick sort. Third one is merge sort. Fourth one is deep sort, right? Fifth one is counting, and radix sort. So these five are the main sorting algorithms that we will be focusing in this series of sorting algorithms. Now what we are going to discuss in these algorithms is follows. So say if I take some algorithm, then for each algorithm I am going to teach 2 to 3 parts. So first I will in the first video I will give an idea or intuition of the algorithm with some problems. So first I will give some problem which will give you the idea for the exact algorithm that we will be studying next. Okay, and next we'll have the algorithm itself. We'll study the algorithm in detail. Okay, next we'll write the pseudocode for the algorithm, right? And finally we'll do the analysis part, which is very important, right? So we'll do the analysis part here, analysis part of the algorithm. Okay, so these are the main steps that we will be following to learn a particular algorithm. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept and what are different sorting algorithms that we have. Okay, so first we are going to discuss insertion sort in the next video. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you and Jai Hind.